Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color a cute and beautiful house. Let's start drawing. First of all, I will draw a line with a square. And then 2 lines. Now I will draw the wall. Now I will draw the facade of this house. That's great. I'll draw the door now. And then window. Great. Next, I will draw a few long lines on the roof of the house, like this. We'll divide the scars left behind by leaving home. Amazing! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I am using red color. Hey, what a color! Okay, it's beautiful, wow! I will make the second color yellow for the walls of the house, like this. I will paint this wall the same color. I like this. Green color on the door. Sky blue color, like this. And the nest color is brown. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!